What's up, fanboys and fangirls, Fandom and Force here, and this is a reaction video to the latest Deathbound by Screw Attack! And I am so excited because it's old school, I think, old school versus new school. It's Jak&Daxter versus Ratchet&Clank. Now, I know a little bit of Ratchet&Clank about a little alien marmoset teaming up with a little tiny super robot to save the world. And then you got Jak&Daxter, who I used to watch my friends, and sometimes I would play if they would let. My friends would let me. My friends would let me use a controller if the others and I were able to take the controller out of their hands to get a turn. Jak&Daxter, exiled prince and his buddy saving the island from evil. So yeah, I know, I am so excited. I'm gonna watch the info session. So before I conclude who I want to win, although my mind's kind of already made up because I want Jak&Daxter to win. One way to find out, I'll watch the intro and I'll tell you my conclusion. Alright. It looks kind of, it's really hard to stay with my choice because because they both seem evened out. Like, we got one from the future, one from the past, and they're kind of similar in a way according to the info sessions. So, and they're very similar. They both have limited resources to keep them alive. They both have tech. They both have weapons and other sorts of tech that they could use to defeat bad guys, and they also have there's also sidekicks that could be useful. That are useful in the long run. So Jak and Ratchet with their teammates Jak&Daxter and Clank. It's hard. So I was rooting for Jak&Daxter a while ago, but now that I know more, I'm gonna stay neutral. I'm being neutral in all this. I'm gonna stay neutral in all this, and if Jak&Daxter wins, then, well, at least I was right to begin with. So, but if Ratchet&Clank wins, bravo! You beat the probably one of the greatest tag team video game characters ever. My bad. Okay, now let's play. Now let's watch.
Time for a death battle!
Ah! Really? They had to put advertisement in? YouTube had to put an advertisement in right now. Are you serious? Well, at least it's over now. Here we go. Oh, it's 3D animation! Is that it's Jak&Daxter's town. And Ratchet&Clank crash landed in the village. Great!
That's the last time I let Quark fix the warp system.
Actually, weren't you the one who overclocked the accelerator?
Huh. This is new. Hey, do you have any idea what you've done?
Yeah, hey guys, welcome to our home. Make yourself comfortable on the couch. If you can find what's left of it.
This isn't so bad.
I can fix that.
I'm very sorry for your loss, Mr. Weasel.
Weasel. Well. Looks like it's hot. Leave the pixie out.
Oh! Oh, hoverboard! Sweet. Oh yeah, Jak. I remember. Oh my god. One of my friends used to have a hoverboard. I would be begging to say, "Please can I ride the hoverboard? Kid, please can I ride the hoverboard?" I remember that. I remember doing that when I was a kid.
You're pissing me off. I got him. Mercy.
No. You're done for. Watch out, you can't keep up. Rest in pieces. Whoa! Ratchet! Can't you go any faster? I wasn't designed for this.
I was.
Any more weapons you want to throw at me?
Like I need any more.
Oh, it's Dark Jak. It's Dark Jak.
Well, maybe just one more.
Yeah, Daxter.
Yes. Now what?
Yo, Daxter was riding that missile like no tomorrow.
Get him, Jak.
Oh, Light Jak. Here's Light Jak.
And curtain.
KO! Oh, not the weasel guy. Jak&Daxter were formidable fighters, especially when they had enough ego on hand.
Okay.
But Ratchet&Clank's better teamwork and superior.
Sorry, I was trying to get over my shock of how they all out. It was well played. It was brilliantly done. Well, good. So props to Screw Attack and good thing I called the neutral before the death battle started. Oh my gosh, it was so good. Anyway, so I definitely recommend watching this death battle. I'll post a link in the description box down below, and I can't wait for the next one, which we'll probably hear about soon enough. And if you'd like to see any more of my videos, click on the name, Fandom Enforcer, that's right next to the subscribe button. That's just below the description box. And you can check out any of the other videos that I've made over the past few, yeah, however long it is. Yeah, so if you liked what you see, subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe. It'll be an honor to be on your subscription list. And if you have any other trailers, battles, I might even be doing an epic rap battle of history reaction soon. I also got some other reactions, so stay tuned. And until next time, Fandom Enforcer out.